our second video today, we're going to talk about ray and opposite rays. And I guess I decided not to put an S on the end, so let me make sure it says opposite rays. A ray would be more equivalent to our sun. Okay, so we want to think about a ray as a sun beam. A ray has a starting point, which would be the sun, and extends forever in one direction. So here, I drew a little picture of our sun. I drew a point for representing Venus and Earth and Mars, all in different sections of their orbits. So the ray I would be calling out SE is going from the sun to the Earth. This is the sun to Venus, and this is the sun to Mars. Okay? Now if you'll notice, I started in the same place with all of them. That's because what the picture is saying is the starting point is S. And notice that every single arrow goes right. Okay, so things over here that we don't want to do. If the arrow goes left, it is wrong. Arrows go right no matter what I've drawn on the paper. ES is not how this is drawn. This ray starts at S and goes towards E. If I write it in reverse, I'm saying there's a ray going from E towards S, which is not what our picture says. Okay, so watch your starting points and make sure our arrows are always going to the right. Now we take ray and we're going to make opposite rays. So opposite rays form a line. Remember, you can pause the video at any time so you can catch up and then just listen to me explain it. Two rays with a common endpoint extending in opposite directions to form a line. So in this case, you'll see that the common endpoint is C. So I have to have these be the same. One ray goes to F and one ray goes to A. Same thing as in the first door we did with rays. All arrows go right no matter what, and I have to have the same endpoint. Now, sometimes we want to think that these are opposite rays. Okay? And I'm going to put an X through that, and I'm going to write not opposite rays. Opposite rays must form a line. So if they are not on a line, then you did not create opposite rays. All right, so with that, we are done with the second portion of our video, and good luck doing segment and skew in the next one.